Hello again, amazing individual. It is I, your president, Matt, just Matt. And today I'm going to be providing a short tutorial on how you can go about navigating our club website, which is absolutely amazing. And I know you are going to find it useful. Thanks to our VPE, Adrian Hind, he has requested that we do just a quick tutorial on how you can sign up for the meeting roles on the website. So what you can expect from this tutorial is I'm going to first show you how to get onto the website. I'm going to give you an FYI on what you need to know about if it's the first time you're joining the website. And thirdly, I'm going to show you how you can log in and take up a meeting role. The majority of you watching this video would probably have already signed up as a member. If not, I will create a separate tutorial on how you can go about accessing your membership profile on the website. So without any further ado, what you would firstly do is you would go onto your Google Chrome, your Safari, whatever web browser it is that you use, and you will type in the following address, which is www.bryanstonbreakfast.toastmastersclub.org. If it is your first time logging onto the site or using this particular web address, you are going to see this little notification saying your connection is not private. Please do ignore this notification because you will not be sharing any sensitive information on the website. What you would then click on is this option that says advanced. Can I just get a different type of annotating tool? Let's see. You will then click on the option here that says advanced. And once you click on that option, you will then be able to see the different options at the bottom of the screen. So the one that you are looking for after having clicked on advanced is you are looking to select this option that says proceed to website. All right. So you would then select this one, proceed to website, click on it. Oops, undo. You'd click on it, and then it will take you to the club website. So what does the club website look like? Once you've gone onto the club website, this is what you can expect to find on the first page. So it's going to give you the homepage. It's going to give you all our club details, and it's going to tell you how amazing our club is because our club is really amazing. And it's going to give you all our values here as a club. But for the purpose of this tutorial, the one that you should be most interested in is this part that says member login. So the reason why you need to be more concerned with the member login is because that is where you would log in as a member to access these particular functions. So as we mentioned, for the purpose of this video, we want to show you how to do a quick role sign up and how to view the meeting of agendas. So I'm going to quickly change my screen so that you can see what I'm looking at. So what I would do is then click on this option that says member login. I will then input my passwords and everything that is required, and then I would say authenticate login. Okay. So now we just wait for it to log in, and we wait and we wait. Cool. After you have logged in, you will now have the option to choose any of these options that fall under the members login. The one that you want to take interest in is firstly the meeting agendas. So select the option here right at the top left of your screen that says meeting agendas. It will open the screen with our most recent meeting agenda, which is, as you can see here, just at the top under our club name, meeting agenda for 25 September 2021. Under this option, you can then decide, are you planning on attending the meeting? No. Oops, I don't want to say no because it's going to remove my roles. You can say yes, or you can say uncertain. Once you've done that, it will notify us to let us know that you will be attending or you will not be attending. On the agenda that you'd be then looking at, it will show you all the vacant spots. So anywhere where it says sign up, sign up, sign up, those are spots on our agenda that you can take up. So let's go back, for example, to the Toastmasters. If you want to be our Toastmasters for the day, Toastmaster for the day, you would click on sign up and you then wait for it to load. And what it would then do is say role fulfilled by whoever you are at the time of signing up. And all you need to do is just confirm your role. It's as quick and simple as that. Once you have confirmed your role, you will automatically then be added onto our club roster. Excuse me, and it will tell you that you have now been confirmed as Toastmaster for the meeting. So once all of this is done, every time you sign up for a role or anytime you indicate that you will be attending or not of not attending a meeting, it will notify myself or Adrian to say that, hey, you are attending, you are not attending, or this is the role that you've taken up. Now, this one is for the speakers. If you're planning to be a speaker at our club, you would also then select sign up as a speaker. Now, this is the most important part for you as a speaker. As a speaker, you need to choose, please, please, please choose your path and choose your project. So what this does is that it has all of the Toastmaster paths, it has all of the Toastmaster projects. And so you need to just choose them. For the purpose of this demonstration, I'm just going to choose the icebreaker one. And then as the speaker, the additional thing you'd have to then add is give us the title of your speech. Tell us what are you going to be doing a speech on? What can we expect? And if you would like the Toastmaster to introduce you or to introduce your speech in a particular way, you would then just insert your introduction here. Right. And then you would say save project and speech details. The reason why this is so important is because for the evaluator that's going to be evaluating your speech, it will make it easier for them to just download your evaluation form from the website, as opposed to us having to still send it to the speaker and still send it to the evaluator. And it will also give them an idea of your project description. So please do this to make it easier just for your evaluator to evaluate your speech, and to make it easier for your, what do we call it, for the Toastmaster to introduce you. So let's have a look at what would the agenda look like after you have done all of this. So I'm just going to quickly say print the agenda just so that you can see a demonstration of what it would look like when it's completed. So after you've signed up for the different roles, I just want to open it here. I don't want to. Let's see if it's going to show it here. Okay, perfect. Oops, what happened? Sorry. So here's, oh no, that's not our agenda. Let's go back to Safari. All right, cool. So here's an example of what the agenda would look like. So as you can see here on the agenda, it will show you what our meeting role is, what is the theme of the day. And for you as a speaker, this is where all of that information that you added in comes in handy. So it automatically adds to the agenda what path you're on, which is dynamic leadership, icebreaker, and the length of the speech, which is very beneficial to your evaluator. And it also gives us a title for your project, which is your speech title. So this just shows the importance of why you as the speaker need to go and be very specific. Tell us what path you're choosing. Tell us what is the name of your project, and tell us if you would like to have a particular description for your project. So in a nutshell, ladies and gentlemen, and everybody else watching this recording, That is how you sign up for a meeting on our Toastmasters website. Please feel free to have a look. We will be adding the remaining agendas for the year, and they will all pop up, so you can register for meetings well in advance. Even if you only plan on doing a speech in like October or November, you can register for that well in advance. And that is our signing up on Toastmasters website in a nutshell. I hope you found this useful. And if you have any questions, please reach out to myself, your president, or your VPE, and we will certainly assist you. We look forward to an amazing speech. We look forward to your visit to our club, and we look forward to you making more use of the website. Have an amazing one. Bye.